Hello everyone. I just spoke about peace in Hindi, and now I feel I should speak in English also about peace. So what is this requirement to speak in two different languages when I can just speak in Hindi and express my thoughts? Because majority of the world doesn't understand Hindi. They understand English. So I thought why not give it a try? I'm not a native English speaker, so I may not be that fluent, but I'd like to try. So, what is peace for you? What, how do you define peace? To me, peace means doing our jobs right. If I have done my work well, then I get peace. If you've done your job well, or if you try to do your job well, then I think you will also get peace. That is all it takes to get peace into this world. But most of the time, we waste our time on conflicts for nothing. Why do two countries get into conflict? Because someone has snatched something from one nation to another nation. Why do we need to snatch things from others when we have enough for ourselves? Why do two countries need to fight? It's not required. It's both the nations lose in the process. Their countrymen lose in the process. There are so many soldiers fighting across the borders. For what? Why do you need to fight? There's no need to fight. There's no need to get into a conflict when everything can be done so peacefully. You just need to do your job right and in the right way. Don't switch to any of those methods that are not good for you when you think about it morally. That's all it takes to bring peace in our life. And it's such a simple technique. Still, people don't implement it in their life. So if you need peace in your life, just do your job right. And if a country needs peace, then they have to just follow the right path of doing things. That's all it takes to bring peace into their country. And if the neighboring countries or other countries are disturbing that peace, then you just need to see what you have to do to bring back peace into your own country. I think all it takes to do, or all it requires to have peace in your life, is to do your job right, be it a country or be it an individual. What are your thoughts on this? Do let me know by writing in the comments section. That's all. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your time.